In this video, we're going to take a look at how we're going to generate an API for creating random posts, and this will be used for load testing the service. So one API will be to get the post, and the other one will be to add the post. Now we get one is to create the post, so we will be using this one, post mapping. Yep, and this goes load, and we don't need this. Now to generate the text for creating a post, we would need a function. That function will be responsible for generating words and sentences. And we're gonna take a look. We're gonna create that. It'll be like, okay, public, I should say private, public for time being, public string generate word. uh, There'll be string characters would be equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, and again A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Doesn't matter the sequence. What matters is once that has been created, and then we create a random random number generator equal to new random the seed and random dot random dot next, and is there something like a limit? The seed is equivalent to creates a new random number using a single long seed. The seed is an initial value of the internal state of the pseudo random number generator, which is maintained by the method. Okay, the initial seed, and I want a limit. Something which is limit next int. Does next int has a limit between 0 and the specified value. So there is a bound function, and I would say random number between any, like 20 or 15. 15 words is enough. Int num is equal to this, and for int I equal to 1, I is less than, I is equal to 0, I is less than num I plus plus. Characters, I should say string builder is equal to new string builder, and builder append dot caret builder String builder dot to string. I don't know whether this works. So in order to test this out, I use a online editor, online Java editor. Hope this works, and we go print it out, run this equal to new random. Okay, java.util import java.util.star, please. Why doesn't it print the string? Print then. Okay, so something which is, and this will be between. Wait a minute. It should generate any number. So this is random. That is okay, and it would be between num and I should be able to pick any number from any character from this, right? So this would be word length. Okay. And characters are I. And that should be between characters dot length. Is that no? And characters dot will be up to word length and random dot next int. This should be random dot next int character dot length between character dot length. Character dot length characters dot length. Would that be helpful? Okay, that helps. Uh-huh. That that works. Okay, and we're gonna use this part and we call it into the post service. This will be return and generate word. This will generate word now. This will generate a word for me, but I want sentences. And public string generate sentences, generate random word, generate random sentences. How about hmm, how about I use English words? And should I use English words? Okay, but before that we'll have like let's say how many words in num words words word count. Okay. String builder again. Builder is equal to new string builder. I should say sentences. And for and I is equal to 0, is less than word count I plus plus return sentence dot to string. And this will be I0 I less than word count sentence dot append generate random word with the space and to string dot trim generate random sentences word count. Cool. So this will be post dot off title will be generate random sentences. I should say string title equal to generate random sentences of let's say whatever can be random random equal to new extent, and there should be bound of about like 10 no 20 words. Generate sentences, there should be about a bound of 20 words in this, 25 words in the 20 words in the title. That description can be of like 50, no, 30. This should be like 15. This should be like 40. And username should be 1. Username should just be 1. And post.off title description username, and this will be random UUID. Post out of what does post out of do? It generates a random, so we don't need this, don't need this, and the rest has been taken care of by itself. So we got post dot get id, post dot get id, and post, and cool. So here is it is putting into the database, which is the map that we are using right now, and then it's converting into the DTO and returning the response. This is just to load and Stop and play. I hope this works. Let me debug this. There's a debug in here too. There should be a debug in here too. And if I go to Postman on posts and load, it should be get, it'll be post, and it'll be post and load and send. Okay, go to F8. I don't want the debugger over here. I can just, what is the word count? It'll be 1. Anyways, we'll check that. We'll update that later. It should work. I want a 0. It should be like 5. Origin should be 5, and that should have, okay. And again, over here, it should, word count, title should be like, there should be minimum of 5 words within the title. There should be minimum of 10 words within the description. And let's see. Goes F8, F8. Word count is 11. Cool. That's the title. Description should be 12. Okay. Username is empty. Okay. That is because we added a bound of 1 and that is generated 0. Hope it is exclusive. The bound is exclusive. The upper bound is exclusive, must be positive. Okay. Should be 41. Should be 16. And we created a post. Skip all breakpoints. And it should generate something. Is the response. Okay, this was the randomly generated post. And again, we'll go with posts, go with load, send. Then we do a get. Since okay. That is how we generate a post with random characters in it. This is done now. If I have to get any random posts, then in that case, we're going to take a look at that later. For this video, we're done.